Hi there. You'll have to excuse me for unboxing the PL-880 on the bed or the spare bed in the Radio Shack. But as you can see, my shack is a major mess. So I like it like that though. Okay, so PL-880. So I will be going back to Brazil in 2018, and I wanted to take another portable. The Eton Satellit is brilliant, has proven to be brilliant. I was taking it on the last two trips to Brazil. Prior to that I took the PL-680, which I wasn't very impressed with, because it kind of started falling apart as I got out of the box. The stand fell off it when it was effectively 2 minutes old, and the frequency readout on medium wave was a kilohertz off. Can't remember if it was off on shortwave, but it really, I don't want to swear, but it really pissed me off. So I swapped it for another radio, and the current owner is very happy with it, who's also a Tecsun aficionado. So this is interesting. The PL-880, this is the obvious alternative to the Eton Satellit. Those two radios are what I consider to be the best performing portables on the market right now. You can argue, I suppose, the S8800 is up there as well. My tests certainly indicated that on shortwave it's very sensitive. I've seen videos where apparently it's as sensitive as the PL-880, maybe even more so under certain conditions, but ultimately it's far too big to take to the jungles of Brazil. So the PL-880 is where it's at. And if I just look at the box, we've got fast, slow, fine tuning control, analog high IF DSP, single sideband, USB, LSB, 3050 station memories, a feature that I certainly wouldn't ever use. Class AB amplifier, full range speaker, excellent sound quality. Well, this radio is renowned for having excellent sound quality, and powered by a lithium ion battery. So we have PLL multiband radio with excellent performance. Operation manual. Please read this instruction carefully before using the device. And then what looks to be a poster size quick start guide, I assume. I'm not going to bother getting that out. And then, as is usual with Tecsun radios, you get this kind of carton. And so there's the radio in a handily for me, in a kind of travel pouch. And that is, the Eton Satellit came with one of these, but in comparison to this, it's crap. So it comes in a handy travel pouch, which is nice. There's the lithium ion battery, and if I remember rightly, the S8800 runs on two of those. So there's earphones, which I won't use. Little AM shortwave antenna, a bit like Sony real antenna, which I may use, and USB charging cable. So there we go. So let's take this thing out of the case. Okay, and there it is. So the first thing that strikes me about this radio is that I don't know what it is about the dimensions of this radio. It looks bigger on YouTube than it actually does in real life. It's still very much a portable. Let me get my Eton. There you go. Probably position these. So, what can you say? It's a bit bigger than the Eton, but not incredibly so. Okay, so what can I say? It feels pretty well made. Controls have got a kind of nice resistance to them. Tuning, fine tuning, volume. I mean, I'm not going to go through all the features on this radio because everybody I know has already got one, give or take. and I've bought this for a particular reason, which is I want to try a different radio when I go to Brazil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the battery in, see what happens. So one thing about this radio is that it can handle a long wire very well. And it is super sensitive. The sync is a disappointment. Let's see if we can hear anything. Okay, oh, okay. So what, let's go AM. Just listen to that. Let's go 648. Caroline. Maybe we'll go back to FM. I'm not going to hear anything on shortwave. Cancel that. Let's go to 23.
I am. Because you've been mentioning him a lot lately.
Yeah, your fault.
Sounding more American by the minute, was he?
Not that I noticed. Mind you, I wouldn't know. We've never met. He's your son, not mine.
Yes.
So, there we go.
Well, you haven't been in touch
The
with him
PL-880.
Never
It's a bit of a
It's time you put all that
modern legend, I think, this radio. Renowned to be, as I said, super sensitive, portable.
Must get together.
So this is what I'm planning to take to Brazil next time. And I'll be interested to see how well it operates out there, what in terms of what I can hear. This might be an idea. I mean, this would be an opportunity to do a back-to-back comparison with Eton Satellit. Probably someone's already done it, but there you go. People have been recommending me this radio for 2 years. So, and if I wasn't going to Brazil, I probably wouldn't have bought one. But you know, my trips to Brazil, I effectively look at them as DX'peditions, and yeah, my next trip will be my 4th visit there. So I just want to try with another bit of kit. What I also want to do is take this beauty with me, the Perseus SDR. The problem with this, excuse me, is powering it. I've read worrying things online, such as don't ever power it up with anything other than the power supply that comes with it, and I need to kind of give that a bit more thought and do a bit more research. But I would love to take the Perseus with me if I can figure out a way of powering it that isn't going to, that you can get on a plane and isn't going to weigh sort of 6 kilos. So you know, there you go. So I'm actually, once again, I'm listening to RTL on long wave via the Bose with the Perseus. Superb. So there you go. So I'd like to take the Perseus as well, but all that is still to be sorted out. So there you go. Tecsun PL-880, the next radio to make the trip to South America with me. Yeah, I'll be interested on your thoughts on this radio. I mean, I know a lot of you guys already own this radio. You know, if there is any interest in making the direct comparison with Eton Satellit, let me know, and when I get time I'll run a few back-to-back tests, some comparisons, see what happens. Okay, well, my cough is gradually getting worse, so I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching.